guys, it's Vishali. Welcome back on my channel. This video is about pop art that I tried for the first time and it turned out really amazing. As you see, this art has some newspaper prints. I went through the Pinterest and where I found some canvas paintings and that had newspaper background. So I thought to try this amazing idea, but being quarantined at home, couldn't buy a canvas. So here I'm using a thick cardboard on which I'm going to try this amazing art. So material here I'm using is some old newspapers, a thick cardboard, scissors, white glue and acrylic colors. That's it. Now let's cut the paper in pieces. Make sure you cut the text part, not the pictures. Cut some bold fonts also. Then prepare glue. For this, mix white glue and water and it's done. Now start sticking these pieces on cardboard or canvas if you have. Make sure the corners are properly sticked. And here you can dip the paper piece into glue and then directly stick it on board. So once you're done with covering the board, you need to let it dry. It will take at least 4 to 5 hours, or if you are dipping the paper into glue and then sticking, then it will take more time to dry out. So once you are done with all the coverings and it's completely dry, here after it's completely dried out, I sketch this face on it using pencil and pen. This is a pop art, so I thought to sketch this face, but if you like anything you can just sketch it. Now just filling some colors in this sketch, so using red color for lips, so the colors that I'm using here are all acrylic colors. So this red color is also an acrylic color, and now using this blue color for eyes, this is also an acrylic color. As I have used only pencil and pen to make this sketch, now I am highlighting this with this black acrylic color. Now for hair I'm using brown color. Make sure you use some water or light shade like white or something with the base color. So I'm using brown here, and with this I'm using white also, so that in some places I'm mixing the color white and brown and then coloring it. I'm so happy how this came out. This was the first time I tried my hand in pop art, and this newspaper print in the background is something really exciting and it looks really amazing. So you must try this art. I didn't have the canvas, so I used a cardboard here, but if you have canvas it will look more good on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, just please give this video a thumbs up, and to subscribe my channel please hit that subscribe button down below. And thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe.